wanna fuck, and girl, you know the deal. Gotta keep it real.
You already know what's going on. You already know. Hi guys, if you've never been here before, I'm Mackenzie. How's everybody doing? Just got home from school and I'm hungry. This is basically how, this is how my KFC one went. I got home and I was hungry. So, here we are. I think this is my new filming spot for mukbangs because this is kind of perfect. I'm in my hallway. But we got some window lighting. It's just hitting perfect. Love winter, so it's 5 o'clock and it's probably gonna get like dark soon, so let me hurry up. I got Qdoba. If you can't tell by the title, I got Qdoba. Qdoba is superior than Chipotle, and Chipotle. Love Qdoba better. So, you know, I got a steak, you know, burrito bowl, steak burrito bowl. They call this a Sprite from Mexico, but you know, it's just a Sprite. And I got their nachos with their queso. Their nachos hit so hard with this queso. Oh my God, I'm so hungry. If y'all tell anything different, I got a nose piercing. If you guys have me on Instagram and Snapchat, I mean, y'all should add me. Mackenzie Drake with 2 E's on my Instagram and Snapchat. Y'all should go follow me. You guys would have already known this. Y'all would have got the sneak peek, but I got a nose piercing. Bootsy's literally just chilling right here looking crazy. What, Bootsy? When I tell you this DoorDash fee was so expensive, because I got Ava Qdoba too, I don't want to talk about it, okay, but. Is this gonna explode? Oh, why can't I? Do you have to have a bottle opener? I thought these you could just twist off. Bug!
What?
Do we have a bottle opener? Bug!
No, I don't.
Well, obviously you don't have one, but can you look? It should be. Are you sure there's not one? This is what I get. So yeah, I got my nose pierced yesterday. It was, I'm not a person that gets hurt by things easily. I was like, I wasn't even afraid to get it. I was like, I know I want this nose piercing, so I'm not even thinking about the pain at this point. Y'all look at this queso. Get into it. But I was in there, I wasn't really nervous. And then she put the needle in my nose and I was like, ow. It was a natural, like, my eyes naturally, both of them got so watered. It hurt a little bit, just for a second, but it kind of hurt. I don't say things hurt easily. And this bitch hurt. Ava!
What?
Are you looking for one?
No.
Look for one! I just got you food! Yo. It's not a corkscrew opener.
No.
What do I do?
Use your fork. Use your fork.
I did. I think I almost had it, but I don't know what to do.
You're gonna break the fork.
I broke the fork. How is it stronger than a fork? I guess if it came from Mexico, but crap. Oh.
Party!
Right all over me.
Party!
Shut up. This was not worth it. Go,
I just want one.
Remember, don't get bottles of Sprite if you don't have a bottle opener. Say hello. No? That Sprite isn't even hitting. I did all that for nothing. School was good today, I didn't learn anything. Just kidding. I learned about credit scores today in my personal finance class. That's always fun. Now my fork is broken. Whatever. This. I asked for lettuce, but they gave me so much lettuce. Dang, I'm not a bunny. What do I look like? Oh my gosh. So, I visited. Just do not. Ava! What? I need a new fork.
I just figured something out today. I actually like Coke.
Ew, get out. Coke is gross.
Can I please have some chips?
One more.
Some guacamoles are bad.
I don't get a lot in my bowls. I got lettuce, steak, queso, rice, and like that's it. I don't even like toppings like that, you know what I'm saying? So what I was saying on Friday, I visited the college I'm going to. It's super pretty, really cute. I'm super excited. Like, I got to go into the dorm that I'm assigned to. Yes, college girl things. You already know. That was for like a little dinner. And then in April, I have to go down there for orientation. Mind you, it's 5 hours away. And then I have to go down again in May for 2 days for dance team tryouts. So I'm like, that's a lot. Yeah, I went to try to go get my weekend tickets, right? They're so expensive. I would say for no reason, but the weekend literally never goes on tour, so it makes sense. But literally to get tickets, not even that close. Like literally, I don't even think it's the same level. It's like 500 each, and like they're going away fast, and I don't know what to do because I just spent more money on DoorDash, and I don't know if I'm gonna have enough for me and my sister. So I'm like stressing out because like obviously I can wait to get money, but like I'm like stressing out because I'm like, what if it's sold out? And it's a huge arena. But of course he would sell out a huge arena. So I'm like stressing out to get the tickets. Like I was trying to buy them yesterday. Was it the night before? And my card wasn't working. And I was like, my balance says there's money, but everything I was trying like SeatGeek, Ticketmaster, and it's like card not working. I was like, are you kidding me? So I'm gonna try again, but I'm so mad. Since you're graduating, maybe tips for new high schoolers. I asked some questions. I asked like topics to talk about. I don't know. Sometimes I just be asking random stuff on my Instagram. So if y'all wanna, you know, be involved, follow me on my Instagram. But the one, like, if I could say something to my 9th grade self, I'd be like, take initiative into what you're signing yourself up for, like classes. Like obviously I bet a bunch of people probably pay attention to what classes they go into, but I didn't at all. Well, I mean I did kind of like with my electives, but like pay attention to like what you need for when you graduate. So like get your fine arts and your practical arts out of the way, you know? Because now I'm a senior in freaking ceramics and I don't want to be in it. Let's see. Get out of the bag. I mean, it's okay. Like, obviously it's an easy A. It's ceramics 1, pottery or whatever. But like, who wants to be in that? You know, their freshman year. But, you know, I'm chilling. But like, more importantly, I'm like, with AP classes, like, I don't think it's necessary to take more than 2 a year. But what did I do? I took 4. Like last year, I took 4 or 5. And this year, I'm taking 3. And it's my senior year, and taking 3, I'm like struggling. I mean, my grades aren't struggling because like, I need to keep them high. But mentally, like, it's just so much more to work on because not only do you have to do homework, you have to do all that, essays, like you have to do scholarship stuff. And like I've been applying to them like since January. I've been like Literally just keep looking them up, keep applying. Like, I didn't really see the importance of it until you... What? We might have to cut this mukbang short, unfortunately, because I have to leave for a Belize meeting. I'm leaving for Belize in like 5 weeks. Isn't that crazy? I'm gonna have a whole Belize vlog. Hopefully that goes well, but it's a 16-hour flight. Girl, we're stopping in Miami, but still. Oh. So like, I didn't see the importance of scholarships until like I got accepted into a college, and you see that entrance fee and you see the tuition in your account and you're like, oh, I need money. So honestly, if you're like a junior, like you need to start applying now, or at least get sites and, you know, reputable sites to like apply to. Oh my god, we have to leave soon. Look how much is in my bowl. How to cope with stress and motivate yourself. Honestly, like the only way you can cope with stress is like stressed about, you know, homework or work and stuff. The only way you can like is getting it done. And sometimes it sucks, like the only motivation you do have is just to get it done. In all honesty, like literally, like sometimes when I'm so stressed out, the only motivation I have is the feeling of when it's done. You just gotta get it done, sis. You just gotta get it done. What? Does Dad have the car?
Yes.
Oh, Mom did.
Hey.
Y'all see this on my pants? Are you kidding me? Year just ended. Thank the Lord for that. We still have our banquet, but like, no more games. I still have dance, but like, I'm chilling. Honestly, like, if you're stressed about school, one thing that I recommend is either having a planner or writing it all down in your notes. So I used to have I still have the planner, but now like it's so much work to write in it, and I still sometimes write in it, but this is so much easier for me. I make like a whole to-dos list and I put the little check beside it, and then I literally just check it off when I'm done, and I just write everything I need to do. You can make a section for scholarships. Write down like the scholarship you have to apply to, you know, the date and all that. Like write down even like chores, what you need to do over the weekend, like little things. I don't know how I even survived without writing my stuff down in my notes, because like then you don't have to stress about remembering it, because every single time you have to do something, you just write down your notes, and then like you just look back at your notes when you need to have something done, and it's easy. They're all laid out. A whole mukbang is based on the weekend. Honestly, oh my god. Abel is my man. I've loved his music since literally 6th grade. 6th grade. That's a long time. That's like 7 years. I think it's crazy how he's touring. I think it's crazy how his album's coming out. Like literally, is it next week? This week? So soon. I think I should do a mukbang or something reacting to his album. Let me know if you guys want that. I will do it. A mukbang, maybe a makeup look, reacting to his album. I'm drinking beer. Bottoms up. Guys, I still can't get over how I'm going to Belize. Out of the country. And then they send an email talking about the coronavirus, and I'm like, me and Sarah are gonna get the coronavirus, okay? Well, I hope not. Let's not speak that into existence. I don't think there's been any like cases in Mexico. Belize isn't in Mexico, but it's not like near it. I don't think there's been any cases, so. And then they told us we can only bring a carry-on. So I'm not going to Belize like by myself or with my family. I'm going to Belize like connected to my school. It was still expensive, so it was not free. Me and my best friend Sierra were going. It was like $3,000. They claim it's cheaper, but we're not staying at no resort. I'm pretty sure we're staying at some raggedy hotels and eat it. I don't freaking know. And then only bring a carry-on. I'm not a high maintenance person. Like, I can bring limited amounts of items, but for a week, I'm gonna have to get them vacuum sealed bags. Indigestion is real, y'all. I'm like, oh my gosh, how long have I had cheese on my shirt? I have to go somewhere. I ate this way too fast. Crushing on a girl. How to get over an ex, girl. I've never had a boyfriend. I don't have an ex, so like I've never been through a breakup, so I don't want to sit here and be like, oh, you do this and you do this, because obviously I haven't done it. But I've heard people say, you know, just you have to see the situation. Like, if he broke up with you, if he broke up with if he broke up with you, or you broke up with him, or you broke up with her, whatever, that, you know, everything happens for a reason. That's what I believe in. And like, if it was meant to be, obviously this wouldn't have happened, or things would have been different. Like, the situation, it really just depends, you know, on how everything happens, you know, with cheating and, you know, all of that fun stuff we love to talk about. But take more mental health days, self-care, do a mask, take more time for yourself, clean up your space. Just realize that if this person was right for you, you wouldn't have broken up with them, or they wouldn't have broken up for you. Like, if they broke up with you and they think you're this, that, then they're not for you, okay? And I know it's probably hard. You could have been in love, you could have been done this, you could have been done that. Obviously, I've never been in that boat, so I can't be going around saying stuff. But, you know, what's meant to be is what's meant to be. And if it's not in that situation, then fuck it. You know what I'm saying? I ate my bowl. I just have nachos, chips, if you could say. I'm just gonna end it here. You know, I love having a little chat with you guys, sitting down, you know, eating a nice little snack and eating some food. If you guys have never seen my other mukbangs, I have a Domino's mukbang, KFC, Popeyes. I think that's it. Let me know if you guys, if I should keep doing it. Am I thinking God? And maybe make them about specific topics, or I don't know. I feel like I've covered so many topics on my channel, but like maybe I haven't. So maybe in the comments below, let me know like what next food place I should try, and like the topic I should talk about. And if you agree with someone in the comments, maybe like comment and be like, do this, or like it and be like, to get it to the top so that I can see it. I think that's it. Qdoba, you bust my stomach. I'm full. I gotta go to a meeting. So I'm gonna talk to you guys in my next video. Y'all, I can't stop staring at my piercing. I really want to do a hoop. She's a little tender. I'm not touching it. I'm touching around. But I can't. The piercer says I shouldn't change it till June 1st, so I'm just not gonna change it. Add me on Instagram, on Snapchat, follow me on everything. Subscribe, hit like, turn on post notifications. You know what I mean. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.